What's up, everybody? I'm Sonny the Badger, and welcome to my Friday free ride. So this Friday, we're going to talk about new riders. But not just any new riders that you're riding with, that you're helping train, that you're mentoring. Because as most of you know that follow this channel, my 18-year-old baby badger is learning to ride. As a matter of fact, when you're watching this, we should be in Virginia with her. This is going to be her first long ride, and honestly, I'm curious to see how it turns out. But anyway, me not only being a mentor, but a dad, there's a lot of stuff that goes through my head, and I want to talk about it. Stay tuned! Alright guys, so I mentored Mama Badger when she first started riding. I mean, 2 weeks after she got her license, we took a ride to Missouri. So we covered like 4,500 miles 2 weeks after she got her license. And I remember the entire trip. Oh, and we also rode the Tail of the Dragon. But I remember the entire trip, I was basically riding out my rearview mirror and keeping an eye on her. Now the nice part of it was is I could control the pace of the ride. So if we were coming up to a curve, I could slow her way down so I knew that she could navigate the curve just fine. But like I said, it was pretty stressful. And I find myself doing the same thing with Baby Badger. When she's behind me, I'm constantly checking my rearview mirror, making sure she's okay, making sure she's navigating the corner right, giving her advice. Now, the one thing that Baby Badger has that Mama Badger never had was we have comms. So Baby Badger is connected to myself and Mama Badger, which helps because then we can talk her through something, give her advice. If she's got questions, we can answer it right then. Versus when Mama Badger did it, we were basically riding with hand signals, and there was no capability of doing that. But I will say this. What makes me a little more anxious about Desi riding than Mama Badger, one, she's my little girl. But two, hang on, I'm going to see. All right. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Two, she's only been driving a car for 2 years. So she doesn't have the road experience that Mama Badger has. Mama Badger's been riding, well, she got her license at 40. So she's been driving, what, 24 years? It's a lot different than 2 years. There's a lot of things you pick up, even driving a car, that just comes with experience. Like being able to look at a vehicle and go, oh, I think they're going to come over in my lane. Or, oh, crap, that guy's going to pull out in front of me. Or that guy up on the left can't see me at all. I need to be extra careful. Those type of things come with experience. And that experience is just road experience. Not necessarily on a bike or in a car. Just literally driving down the road. You get to learn these things. So she has only 2 years experience behind the wheel of a car, and now she's on a motorcycle. And let's face it, motorcycle accidents are usually far worse than car accidents, unless high speed's involved or something like that. So I gotta admit, as much as I love riding with my girl, and as proud as I am of her for getting her license and riding a motorcycle, it definitely stresses me out. So what about you guys? Have you ever mentored anybody? Have you ever taught one of your family members to ride? And what were your feelings about all of that? How did it make you feel? Did it stress you out? Were you worried all the time? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious on this topic to see what everybody's take is, and if they've ever done it, and how the experience was when they did it. Because I'm going through it right now, so maybe I'll get some great advice from you guys that I can use. Anyway, this Friday Free Ride is actually recorded the Saturday before we left for Virginia. So today we should be in Virginia with Mama Badger, myself, and Baby Badger, and a whole bunch of the motovlogging community, which we can't wait to meet. But we actually recorded this on Saturday, and today is Baby Badger's high school graduation. So we have family in town, everybody's excited. Baby Badger's graduating high school. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, taking a ride with me. Remember, if you like videos like this, and remember, guys, if you like videos like this, that's what our channel is all about. We are just a family of motorcycle riders that like to travel cross country, like to go to cool events, like to break world records, and we just record it to share it with you guys. So if you like stuff like this, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. It does help our channel out. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, or thumbs down if you don't like it. Leave us your comments, because we read them all. And remember, guys, it's not about the destination. It's all about the ride. See ya!